Start of the Join the Dots campaign. A STEM organisation working in nature, spoilt by nature, thriving in nature, working with kids to try and spark curiosity, find out their happy space, there's right soil conditions, the right seed, the right place, the right time, the right light. My light, the woodland. And we're introducing Sky, a rocking horse, and Tim, her driver. You don't need no driving. Working with the Forestry Commission to manage the spruce disease. Look forward to that.